Hi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are starting a series, with easy drinks you can make at home. We starting today with the famous and delicious, classic mojito. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. The history of the mojito. The mojito originated in Cuba at a time when the quality of the rum was not what it is today. By adding a few simple ingredients, bartenders could mask the undesirable aspects of the country's rum and make a more palatable drink. During Prohibition, it became fashionable for Americans to escape to the island country to have a few drinks while soaking up the sun. It was during this time that the mojito began to grab international attention. For regular visitors to Cuba, it became a popular drink and was supposedly second to the daiquiri on Ernest Hemingway's list of favorite cocktails. Over the years, the rum improved and the mojito's fame spread immensely. Today it is one of the more prevalent tropical cocktails. The mojito is a simple mixed drink from Cuba that's made of rum, mint, and lime. It's one of the most refreshing drinks you can mix up, and that's why it's among the world's most popular cocktails. As with many of the best cocktails, the mojito is very easy to make. It requires just a handful of ingredients, most of which are fresh and may be right there in your kitchen. This is the perfect beginner's drink, even for those without a fully stocked bar. This classic cocktail relies on fresh lime and mint, while a quality light rum makes a better tasting mojito. The club soda and sugar can be adjusted to your personal taste. A muddler and a stirring spoon are the only tools required, and it all comes together in just a few minutes. Ingredients: 2 teaspoons sugar, 6 to 8 fresh mint leaves, 2 to 3 ounces club soda, divided, to taste, 2 ounces light rum, 1 lime, cut into 4 wedges. Garnish, mint sprig. Tips: rum is the mojito's only liquor, so it is a critical element that will determine the final taste of the cocktail. Choose a premium rum like Appleton Estate, Mount Gay, or Ron Methuselah. While white rums are typically preferred, consider a high-end aged rum. Stay away from spiced rums because the spices contradict and detract from the freshness of the mint and lime. It's easy to stop by the market and choose any old bottle of club soda. Try a boutique soda instead, such as Fever Tree or Q Drinks. Both were designed specifically for use in cocktails and will instantly upgrade your mojito. Steps to make it. Gather the ingredients. Add the sugar, mint leaves, and a splash of club soda to a highball glass. Muddle just enough to dissolve the sugar and release the flavor of the mint. Squeeze the juice from all of the lime wedges into the glass. Drop 2 wedges into the glass. Add the rum and stir well. Fill the glass with ice cubes. Top with club soda and garnish with a mint sprig. Serve, and enjoy.